Ever wondered why we say bless you when someone sneezes? Okay, so here's a cool fact. When you sneeze, your heart skips a beat. Yeah, that's right. That sudden actually causes your heart to momentarily pause before resuming its regular rhythm. Scientists believe it's due to the sudden change in pressure in your chest when you sneeze. So, next time you sneeze, remember, it's not just your nose reacting, but your heart too. And when someone says bless you, they're not just being polite. They're acknowledging this surprising connection between your sneeze and your heart.